Have you ever wondered how to set up email newsletter marketing? Do you often wonder which method is efficient in creating the email newsletter? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of setting up the whole business from email newsletter marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about complete guide to email newsletter marketing. Now let's get into it. Why email marketing? In preparing for this video, I was able to come up with 5 major reasons why a company or entity should do email marketing. These 6 reasons really ignore email marketing statistics, low cost, high effectiveness, etc., and really just concentrate on the benefits to your business after you've implemented. Return on investment. According to Direct Marketing Association, email marketing generated an ROI of $51.58 for every dollar spent on it in 2006. The expected figure for 2007 is $48.56, and the prediction for 2008 is $45.65. Email marketing to in-house lists outperforms all the other direct marketing like print pieces, brochures, sales pamphlets, etc. Email marketing is incredibly inexpensive to produce and replicate, but incredibly effective. Send information, there's always stuff going on at your business. You have updates, you have changed, and you have information that your customers would appreciate having, and would appreciate knowing. Email marketing allows you to get out this information in an extremely efficient manner. Compose one email regarding a recent change at your business, target an appropriate group of clients, more to come regarding targeting, and suddenly thousands of people you do business with every day know exactly what is going on. Sending information, the real heart of email, is probably one of the biggest and simplest reasons why you should be doing email marketing. Sales and discounts. Are you holding a special sale or offering longtime clients a special discount? Let your customers know, and you could be bringing in many more times the business you are now. They say it's most effective to sell to an existing client. Email marketing is a prime way to efficiently, but personally, communicate sales, deals, or discounts to your audience of potential and existing customers. News. Communicate your good news. In business, people like to know they are working with growing, prosperous companies. It rubs off. If you have been mentioned in the paper or have had a ribbon cutting, let people know. Broadcast your good news, attain celebrity, even local celebrity, and continue to prosper. Surveys. Your customers, vendors, employees, everyone you work with, deserve a voice. A quick email newsletter along with a survey can help you gain insight into all aspects of your business and associates. Acquiring email addresses. There are a number of ways to acquire the email addresses of individuals to which you will send your email newsletter. Any amount of size will do. You can start small. We started with only about 60 or so addresses, friends, family, colleagues, clients, etc. Your list will grow over time. But the only way in which you should acquire emails is via free methods. Existing associates. Tap your existing clients for emails. If you already have some kind of Excel spreadsheet with all of your clients and vendors, or if you are using more advanced CRM software, start there. Compile your list of people you work with every day. Networking events. If you go to a networking event, ask everyone you meet if they would mind receiving your email newsletters. More often than not, your list will grow incredibly fast once you start concentrating on it. Most of these suggestions involve events and people you attend and see every day. Trade show. Offer a free gift, guide, or consulting session to everyone who is willing to be added to your list. You're at the trade show to network and market your products or services. Acquiring a real qualified email address allows you to do that for a lifetime. Targeting. Different emails will have different audiences. A message you have for your vendors might not apply to your customers. In fact, it might be imperative that you don't send that message, as it will send mixed signals or tarnish relationships. That is why, as you begin to acquire your list, make sure to break it up. This process will vary depending on who you work with. Generally, you will have clients/customers, vendors, leads, friends and family, etc. As your list grows and you continue to hone in on your email marketing skills, the more targeted your list is, the better. Do not use paid lists. Paid lists or compiling randomly found email addresses from websites throughout the net, although allowed, will lead to nothing but trouble in all but the luckiest or extreme of cases. Simply put, do not solicit to anyone that you haven't physically met or ask to be a part of the newsletter. Email marketing, when done right, will take more time, but in the long run, it will be more effective, have a higher return, and will keep you out of trouble. Marketing to people who have not asked or given you permission can get your account banned from different services. If you are using a paid email newsletter service, destroying any hard work you put into the design or creation of your targeted lists. Marketing to people who have not given you permission can also lead to the server where you send out the messages becoming blacklisted, hurting anyone else on that same server and leading to overall mail problems for your business and the other businesses on the server. Creating your email newsletter. You're ready to go. You've decided you want to do an email newsletter. You've spent some time gathering some addresses. What do you do next? Service: create your email. There are a number of ways to do this. If you are on a very small budget or just starting out, you can simply use your own email. Outlook, Hotmail, or Yahoo will all work fine. Paste your contact emails, draft a short message, and hit send. Outlook users can also do what's called a mail merge, and if you set up your email list through an Excel document, you can merge appropriate fields for a more personalized message. If you're looking for something more advanced, maybe something that is designed to look like a newsletter with your logo, you can play around with the tools the above services offer or move to a complete email newsletter service. Etiquette: your email should be polite, but laid back. Speak to your audience in the second person. It takes a while, but the effect is tremendous. In the end, you know your audience best. Write your email for them. What works for a crazy online t-shirt company might not work for a financial advisor. Subject line: make sure your subject line pertains to the body of your email, but be creative and inventive. Experiment with different ways to say what it is you've created. You need people to see your name, see your subject line, and want to click. Design: whether you use one of the above email newsletter services or just your plain email, keep design in mind. You might not need a logo, fancy colors, or cool effects, but direct your audience's eye with bold text, bullet points, colors, etc. And make it as simple as possible. Email inboxes are getting more and more cluttered, and people have little or no time to actually read. Quickly direct them to the most important points. Content: much like design, make your content short. Typically, a paragraph works, but a few sentences are better. Time and time again, doing usability and optimization tests with clients, emails that are short and simple perform the best. Additionally, your email needs to include a call to action. Whether it's drop dead simple, a big button asking your audience to donate, or included in the body of the text, give your readers the next step. Do you want them to click, to call, etc.? And whatever that goal is, make sure they can reach it quickly and simply. When sending your emails, there are two primary things to remember: send at the right time, and send to the right audience. Timing is everything, and email newsletters are no different. A message sent at 5:30 p.m. on a Friday will not usually be as effective as a one sent on a Wednesday at 2 p.m. Much like the crafting of your content, keep your audience's habits in mind. Do they check their email at 5 a.m. in the morning? Do they have busy workdays involving lots of emails? Overall, we found that email sent in the middle of the week has a last chance of getting bundled in with the end of the work week mess or the overflow that seems to pour in on Mondays. Time of day is also important. All audiences are different, but if you are seeking professionals, we found mid-afternoon is great. Most people have already sifted through their inbox mess, and when your email pops up in the lower right-hand corner of their screen, it is a wonderful distraction. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about complete guide to email newsletter marketing. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.